In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add anchor links in Mailchimp, a useful tool that enhances navigation within an email, especially for lengthy newsletters. Anchor links enable recipients to jump to specific sections smoothly, making it easier for them to access the information they need. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide on how to set these up. First, you need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and navigate to the campaigns section, then click on all campaigns. This is where all your email campaigns are organized. Select the campaign you want to edit by clicking the edit button next to its name. Once you've opened your email campaign, scroll down to locate the content section. Here you'll see an option to edit design. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic happens, where we'll begin incorporating anchor links. Now the next step is to add an anchor point. To do this, find the section in your email where you want the anchor link to jump to. Once you've identified this spot, click on the text block pertaining to that section. You need to highlight the text. This is the word or phrase that signifies your anchor point. On the editing toolbar, look for an icon that resembles a small anchor. Clicking this icon prompts you to enter an anchor name. This name is crucial because it helps you identify this specific anchor point later, so make it something clear and indicative of its purpose. Once entered, click OK. With the anchor point established, we now turn our attention to creating a navigational link to this section. Highlight the text in your email that you want to serve as the link to this anchor. It could be a list of contents at the beginning that helps guide readers to various sections. After highlighting the text, you'll notice a link icon in the toolbar. It looks like a chain. Click it to proceed. In the pop-up modal that appears, you'll see a link to drop-down menu. From this menu, select Anchor. Doing so will activate another drop-down menu labelled Select an Anchor to Link to. Click on this drop-down and choose the anchor you previously created. To finalise this step, click Insert. Once your anchor links and navigation are correctly set up, remember to save your work by clicking Save and Close. The final step involves testing the anchor link to ensure it's functioning as expected. Preview your email within Mailchimp to confirm that clicking the link takes you smoothly to the designated section. And there you have it, you've successfully added anchor links to your Mailchimp email campaign. This small addition can significantly enhance the user experience, allowing your audience to navigate long emails with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.